AI tools are transforming the way we work, create, and solve problems. From writing content to designing visuals, these tools can save hours of work and unlock new opportunities. In this video, you'll discover the top 5 AI tools you absolutely must use in 2026, and how they can make your life faster, smarter, and more creative. ChatGPT is an AI language model that can write text, answer questions, and even generate code. Businesses use it to automate customer support, generate marketing content, or draft emails. For example, a small business owner can type a few prompts. ChatGPT will write product descriptions, blog posts, or ad copy in seconds. It's like having a virtual assistant available 24/7. The AI learns from patterns in language and adapts, making each output better over time. By using ChatGPT, you reduce the time spent on writing tasks, allowing you to focus on strategy and creativity. Even educators, developers, and entrepreneurs rely on it daily. In 2026, it's no longer optional if you want to stay competitive. Integrating ChatGPT into your workflow is essential. MidJourney is an AI-powered image generator. It converts text prompts into realistic or artistic visuals. Designers, marketers, and creators use it to generate images quickly without starting from scratch. For example, if you need a thumbnail, marketing visual, or concept art, MidJourney can produce multiple options in seconds. You can customize style, colors, and mood using prompts. The AI interprets natural language and artistic intent to produce visuals that would normally take hours to design manually. Marketers use it to test different designs rapidly. Content creators generate thumbnails, and storytellers visualize scenes for their narratives. As AI design tools improve, MidJourney helps even beginners create professional quality visuals. Runway ML is an AI video editing tool that simplifies tasks like background removal, captioning, and video enhancement. Traditional video editing takes hours, but Runway ML automates many repetitive steps. You can upload footage and let the AI generate captions, remove unwanted objects, or adjust lighting automatically. Content creators can create videos faster while maintaining professional quality. Businesses use it to produce marketing videos or social media content efficiently. Runway ML also integrates with other AI tools, allowing automation from script to final video output. It's especially useful for faceless channels like the one you're building, because it can produce polished content without manual editing. ElevenLabs is an AI voice generator that can produce human-like speech. You don't need to record your voice or hire actors. Simply paste your script, select a voice, and generate audio instantly. You can adjust tone, pacing, and emphasis for better engagement. It's used for YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, and even virtual assistants. ElevenLabs supports multiple languages and accents, making it versatile for global content. For faceless channels, this tool is crucial because it removes the need for any recording setup. Your workflow becomes script gives AI, voice gives video. This dramatically reduces production time and keeps costs nearly zero, especially when starting out. Zapier AI automates tasks between apps using AI logic. For instance, you can set up a workflow where emails trigger Slack messages, or spreadsheet entries generate reports automatically. You can even summarize data, extract insights, and perform repetitive tasks without human intervention. Businesses, entrepreneurs, and creators use Zapier AI to save hours daily. Integrating Zapier with other AI tools like ChatGPT or ElevenLabs allows you to fully automate parts of your business or content production workflow. This means less manual work and more time to focus on strategy and creativity. In 2026, automation isn't just convenient, it's essential for efficiency. These 5 AI tools, ChatGPT, MidJourney, Runway ML, ElevenLabs, and Zapier AI, are reshaping how we work and create. Using them can save time, increase productivity, and unlock new opportunities. Start experimenting with these tools today, and you'll see how AI can transform your workflow, whether for business, content creation, or daily life.